I finished building the boat, and it is 9 feet 4 inches length overall, with a width of 28 inches, and it weighs only 14 pounds including the seat, and has the capacity of 250 pounds. So I feel pretty happy about the result. This is my finished boat, and it is ready for testing. In my last video, after I fold up the boat, and you can see it's not very sturdy. It flexes at the ends. To fix this problem, I add 2 plastic channel pieces to the gunnel. Then I added the floor and also the chair. And finally, I add the PVC beam to the design. This seems to have fixed the problem. As you can see here, the boat doesn't seem to flex anymore. And I will be finding out more about this at the water test. This plastic channels, which is called the Lattice Cap, and I got it at Home Depot. It comes in 8 feet long, and I cut it in the middle to make 2 pieces for the gunnels. Because I folded the Coroplast, and the Coroplast is more than 10 mm thick, but the width of the plastic channel is only 7 mm thick. Therefore, we have to compress the edge by applying heat to the Coroplast. You want the final thickness to be at around 7 mm. Therefore, don't apply too much force. It is also easy and faster if you do a small section at a time. As I demonstrated here, it is very easy to bend the lattice cap, and you don't need much bending. Be sure you heat up all the sides of the lattice cap before you do the bending. It doesn't take a lot of heat to bend the lattice cap. This is my latest idea in building the gunnel. When compared with the PVC implementation, this design should be lighter, and I hope the assembly time will also be faster. I also like the look of it. I used the soldering iron to make slots on the sides of the boat, and then I used Velcro straps to secure the lattice cap to form the gunnel. The width of the slot is about 0.8 inches. I'm not affiliated with this company, but it seems to be the best deal I can find on the internet. This is the new idea I have with the gunnel design. I will find out if it works or not at the water test. I used the 1/2 inch diameter PVC pipe to make this cross beam, and I would suggest you to use 3/4 inches one, so it will be stronger. And I use a locking pin, which I got from Amazon. The assembly is quick and easy. I like the result, and it seems to be very strong. The floor and the chair can be made from one single sheet of Coroplast. Because I use recycled Coroplast, therefore I use 2 separate sheets. This is how I store the floor inside the package. I cut up my camping sleeping pad to make the cushion for my kayak seat. I also recover the packaging materials from other projects to make the cushion thicker, so it will be more comfortable. Since the lattice cap is extended way beyond the vertical fold lines, therefore it will minimize the chance that the stern will be bending or buckling when in use. And I will find out at the water test. This is what happened with Gen 14. I have also tried to bend it with my hands, and it seems to be very strong and rigid. The Velcro strap should help also. I always want to build a lighter boat. I'm happy that this boat is around 14 pounds. It is slightly exceeding my expectation. I will take this boat to the river to give it a try next Saturday. It seems to be one of the better boats I've designed so far. I really like the size of the boat when it's packed for transportation, and also the weight, which is less than 14 pounds. And it's also the lightest boat I've built so far.
Thanks for watching. If you like my video, please give me a thumbs up. And also subscribe to my channel. I have many other videos on my channel. Hope you find them interesting too. Thanks and see you again. Bye bye.